Kung nung wache kumbeda ka at moko check parliament madit ma Uganda kama kumbeti. Deputy Speaker me parliament radit Thomas Tayebwa ryemo MPs panub kien chok ang weno lo kien atie better Nambooze ma Ento Mukene Joyce Bagala Derrick Nyeko Frank Kabuye ki honorable Francis Zaake ma charity nen enamuro ba makwane ko at moko che ko chake partner nen cha mano da tie ken la mego enoni MP me woman MP me rakai baki waji kamaleng ni mer ket ngo video o playing work dana wenen kamaleng kira honorable Zaake ulwo kere nying la mego enoni so la wo in return la wo maja actually noob MPs opposition kiti waji ne mer ki playing kira ki mako kere honorable Chagulanyi noob president ki airport mag IT me parliament po playing pego nyoro video enoni parliament so jone ki jemu Ucha ko kilo drama moge parliament ma oweko deputy speaker kumbe suspending yano be sittings Mukene adek. Jone kiti wachi ni na ninja ki playing video. Tien dompe kiti playing penga.
Ema jima time ot moko chek ma megwa tie maduong. Ingeni opposition mano kilwono opposition tong tika timo gino no mir gitamne giti timo gino no mir gitim. Ni gimo ke kene parliament mi robet ki jemo ni one po ye tamu un bana po ye tamwa and it to both sides. It's a win-win for all of them. For me, I don't see any drama. Kinima down low in parliament. It is a win-win for opposition because that is how they flourish. Propaganda pe chargana be can. The chemu ngar mo wayne kitika wile mucho mo karoma ke kare wa kon kal in pe chawa gana be can maraj no bana berutie.
So, we are making headlines.
Exactly.
So still around.
That in terms of propaganda is good for opposition. PM, they will thrive on it. They will get publicity. And Gamente Karo, Nyochalo Speaker Mikaro suspending this meeting or you're suspending again, they keep into the headline. Lawa Nero, Kiwachi Bobby Wine has continued to dominate the news headline in Uganda for the last 6 months. Now, nyurni anything matatiri gen go to capitalize to be relevant.
But is that the issue Danotica supporting and because we need to see the work and I don't teach
any wrong peron beru teach Ento Jomanero ni anti-democracy agitators magenero ni democracy mirobetie genero wajite lango winyeri mabe no get why lang will deal low mabe and at the end of the day impact party no pe PM ini bi ni parliament ya wen kingeni ini tika kelo ko vio ini tika kelo loen ini bene loenyo
but check bills makonya dana ko join anu pe na join ka chunka kelo bills my at mako check
bills make kelo ni polegi loga ye and ke mo ile check ti ni absenteeism is very rampant in parliament ipenye ke keni ngwa tika time where all these 500 MPs what are they always doing? Complaints the same parliament, the same speaker is there, both of them are always there. And to give issues mogo makonye pe. Amiro wachini gina twero ya loy wayani gin makonye pe I parliament ene pong down pong yema loy gimaiken. We poll the chijamake miro en kwanye nzaka chel mi beru commission. Kid ma parliament opong kwere. Opong wiye wako. Kumbedi ke mira suspension no. Pinira dek money ni. After 3 days we'll get back to parliament. There's nothing to do with it.
And business will go on as usual.
Business will go on as usual. So, while policy is not being discussed, critical issues are not being discussed, most of them are now trying to say they're doing oversight
and
role.
And critical issues, ma wache wache ni part. Pe why when you ka loka. Hani jakiti loka anti-homosexuality bill kan ngatu loka yo beru pe. And drama any kono da chimo wang ina ye dong ni dano kati ye kamaleng mape wo kwani lo te na piano wachwa again I parliament kayu policies ma of favoring lo te
parliament
kumbeti GMOs tie kiti kerne cha be nyoraj kitir ki lo te mena ilok mo mbir kanyama ne at mo khachek na ro
parliament take rules committee ma lobo check me out chalo school or take class monta or take disciplinary prefect king ogne. Now the rules committee dealing with issues of indiscipline and kira dano mero ko kwere ana none la mego ne chero ka chui flow of parliament ka wachene ni enemy take punishing Zaake PM Zaake i meeting ma no chere lo ni ene malaya ene log ma pe bene flow of parliament ene log ma ini kwanyo itere rules committee investigating ke kwanyo jom tijgi mi chero ka wanyana da loko winye kining committee ene ge biro
because anything kwanyo chawa pa more important things to be discussed
rules committee ene dugu dong wachine wamero summoning Zaake ke summoning Zaake konki munyu loke at a rules level pi o meri parliament a matter of national importance and you're telling us about ningar monolu in Malaya ene kwanyo
and it just shows the level of get MPs
piwa kwero PM parliament nyo chieko yeni jomu girikla bichel S6 graduates can go to parliament so it is okay PM ngeni dan weng mati parliament ni ko kwano chingwena wayani kwan ne pere tek erbe jomo kene noni kwan bene pere pingo pere petek ka ngar ipenye ko kene joni weng ko kwano ko tiyo kwan gi onyo kwano yen yang
la penye mawe tenye botu kanyi koko me parliament kume Kiryemo MPs chwak angwena lo magiti ake party pa national unity